welcoming ourselves to this practice with a nice big breath in, moving through a deep exhale all the way out, shoulders drifting down, all the body coming deeper and deeper into this position of and release, sending this message of relaxation with the exhales from head to toe, just letting go and using this physiological sigh to bring the heart rate and the mind down to a calm place of ease and flow. Inhaling twice through the nose with a long sigh out the mouth. Getting into this rhythm where you feel the waves rush in and fall away. Awareness drifting inwards, everything relaxing, forehead relaxed, jaw relaxed, shoulders heavy. Allow the mind and body to focus on one thing and one thing only, the present moment. Just feel and be presently. Allow yourself to drift, to wander and ponder, but not for long. Coming back to this center, this state of wholeness and here-ness, this state of and release, relief rippling over every aspect of your being, body, mind, and soul, as you allow the mantra, the words, the statements, the affirmations of I am, letting go, to dominate your thought momentum. Allowing the sentiment and essence of surrender or letting go to just be known in your mind, in your heart, in your soul, and allow the words, I am willing, to become this repeated statement within who you are. Willing to let go, willing to give in, and willing to just be me, free. I'm willing. Opening up this pathway, this potential connection between you and your inner flow, that inner flow of well-being, that source of knowing and infinite intelligence in your cells that's keeping you alive, awake, and aware, and connected to the greater whole. Just let go into that flow. Ask yourself why. Why do I do what I do? Why am I who I am? What do I want? What am I already? And simplify it. Not to 3, not to 2, but to one thing. What am I? Who do I want to be if I were to be that eternally? And what am I doing right here and now, today and tomorrow, that's aligning me with that person, that being, that state of becoming? When I know I'm in the flow, I have no problem saying no to those things that don't serve me. I know exactly where to go. I'm inspired in what I do. And every moment is an opportunity to dive deeper into states of peace, satisfaction, calmness, clarity, and the unknown, with grace and love, entering new spaces in this time and knowing that it's forever changing. So right here and right now, I feel into my heart and I ask it, what do I need to focus on? And then I ask it, how can I focus on that? And I do this every moment of the day, especially when my mind wanders or ponders. Outside, right here, right now. I am whole, I am complete. I am perfectly on my path. Forces much greater than me and within me are guiding every step along the way, every day. An opportunity to learn, to create, to grow, to find more joy, a deeper sense of awe and wonder, and to connect to that source of infinite intelligence so I can be and become who I'm meant to be. Noticing your awareness as if it was this glowing light, like a little bundle of fireflies all condensed together, and it moves around where you take your focus or attention. And right here and right now, it's deep within you, shining outward, feeling everything you're feeling, and able to shine and guide you through the steps you need to take each and every day along the way with that sense of joy and satisfaction as the string, as the map, is the sixth sense letting you know where to go and how to follow the flow. Breathe in deep and let go. Feel satisfaction. Feel surrender. Feel ease. Feel peace. Clarity and connection. Harmony and wholeness. I am relaxed. I am perfect as I am, and more than enough. I am able and capable to achieve anything I dream of when I allow myself to perceive it as possible. Anything's possible. Thank you for this inner guidance and this opportunity to connect to it more clearly, as I know it's always here, always present. And whenever I let that silly little ego step between me and I just let go. I let go of the ego and tap into the superconscious, subconscious, that is who I really am. Thank you, thank you, thank you for this connection in peace, passion, and love.